So here in this quick tutorial, I will show you how to switch accounts in YouTube application. So let's get started. First of all, you need to go and select the YouTube application on your Android device, and then simply go with the profile icon on the bottom right side corner. Here is the profile icon, just simply tap on that. And now once you have here, you need to go and select the switch account option right over here. Just tap on the switch account. Then you will probably see the plus icon. If you don't have any other accounts logged in, then simply go with the plus icon and log in the Gmail or email, any kind of email that you have your YouTube account on. Then simply log into it, and then you will find another channel like this. So that's how you can simply switch accounts in YouTube. So hope this video helps. If yes, please leave a like and we'll see you next time.